Hello viewers, today we will discuss the views. View is nothing but a way of displaying a list of records based on specific criteria that is meaningful to the user. For example, active accounts, resolved cases, and high priority cases like that. So we will discuss the view in detail and the types as well. In our roadmap, this is our last session in end user or a business track. Refer to the video description for the playlist and other related session information. Thanks for your subscription. Today topics are what is view, types of views. We have two types. One is the system view and another one is a personal view. We'll discuss it in detail. So what is view? So view is ideally is a saved query, right? That has a bunch of fields with a filter and with a sorting order. You can able to sort them now which order they want to display it, what columns you need to display it, and then based on the filter you can create a multiple views on given entity or a table. So for in this case I have accounts and then it shows my active accounts which is active accounts, which is I'm the owner for that, right? Because the owner is myself, so it shows my active accounts. And then you can go to the another view, which is active accounts. It shows them all the active accounts, even though it shows only here, but even though it's any other record owner is others, it should display here. Here, generally, the system customizer or a system administrator will create the records, it may create the views based on the business process. The individual user also can able to create views in different way. So that's all about the generic view. You can think about it's kind of saved query whenever you need it. You just get them the information what you need it here. So we have two types of views. One is a system views and second one is a personal view. The system views is created by when you are setting up the systems, or it created by your system administrator or a customizer. Okay, that view specifically based on your business process, that view will be shared to across multiple users or the team. On the other hand, personal views that's specific to the individual user. Say for example, I have permissions to create a view to myself, and then I can able to share that view to the other users. Ideally, the personal view is specifically to the individual users. Okay, so and talks about the system view. There's a lot of system views available. One is a public view, lookup, associated, quick find, advanced find. Many views are available. We'll discuss in. Then what are the action you can do it here is basically you cannot edit because the system views only the system customizer or administrator can only able to update it. What you can do it only you can make them as a default view. That's the only thing you can able to do it here. So go to the CRM systems and then look like here. These are the views it's created by the system automatically when setting up the systems. For example, you go to contact entity or contact table, and then this shows my active account. These are all the views it's by called system views. It's created when installing that systems. So within the system views, we have other types of views like a public view, lookup, associated, quick find, and advanced. Since this is a system view, we don't have options to edit it. Only the system customizer, system administrator can only able to update it. And only the action item we can be able to do it only set as default. Okay, we'll go to the systems to see. When you have an account entity and then all these views are displaying, this is the public view. Okay, so even though this is a system view in a overall type wise, in a very high level category wise, but this is a public view, which is means basically whenever you go to that specific table, say for example account contact leads, what it shows on here when you click on the left navigation side, this shows what are the views displays here. It's called public view. Okay, then the next one is a lookup view. For example, open any record and then say for example I'm an account entity and then I'm going to look at a primary contact. When I'm clicking here, so basically I'm searching a record for that to get a contact, right? So this one is it's called a lookup view. Okay, so this one is a lookup. Say for example, it shows all the what are the columns it needs to display it, what information it needs to display it. It based on the lookup view. So the first one we said no public view. So this one is called a lookup view. And the third one is associated view. Say for example, this account may have a multiple contacts. So if you go to related and then show them the account, contacts, and then this shows the associated contacts for this account. So this one is called associated view. Okay, you can again now if you go to the customizer role, you can using a customizer role, you can be able to update what information is to display here, what order, what filter criteria, those kind of things you can able to define it here. So ideally associated view, it's nothing but the here in this case all the contacts display all the contacts associated to the account. Okay, the next one is quick find view. If you remember the previous session, we discussed on the search, right? You remember when we are searching in a globally and when we are searching in a specific view, that it uses a quick find view. Okay, what it means basically when you search something here, ideally it recognize what field need to be searched on this view. Okay, say for example here I'm saying that house, remember the asterisk. So here, the asterisk here, it searches the word called house, and then within this active accounts, right? So it finds in all the ways, but it searches an account name. So this tells what are the fields need to be searched and then display here, or either here on the or the global search, the two of them. And then the last one is basically advanced find view. And then advanced find view, no, it is generally it's legacy systems. So legacy UI or legacy CRM. Say for example, if you go to advanced settings, and then you can find the funnel, or you can say advanced find. So as I said, the last one is advanced find view. So this one is as a previous or legacy screen. So if you click on this funnel advanced find, and then you can find now basically all the tables. Say for example, if you click on an account, and then when you search something, no, say for example you are searching account name contains the data or something, when you're resulting here, it displays the column here, right? What here are the three columns to display. That's based on the advanced find view. Okay, so this UI we are not using nowadays because we are using in a current cases using a modern UI, that Power Platform UI. So this one is anyway still if you're using an old UI for the advanced find, so this is the one of them. We'll talk about the personal view. So personal view basically any individual user able to create a view, and then they can do once created, and then they can do many other actions here, right? Create, update, delete, those kind of the actions they can able to do it here. Say for example, go to the CRM systems. So here I'm in the account entity, and then it displays and currently displays an active accounts. Okay, so I can filter this view, current view. Okay, and I'm going to say city equal to Redmond. Okay, and then displays who lives in Redmond, right? I can save this query. Say for example, this query is frequently I'm using. I can save this query as Redmond, right? Active accounts. You can save this one, and then so this view, if you look at here, this is a personal view. That's the reason that it shows different person icon here, and then go and manage and save views. Still you can able to see it, right? All other system views, only option you can able to set as a default view, or you can reset it. That's the only action you can do it. But if you go to your personal view, you can hide them, which mean not to show them on this list, or you can show them set as a default. You can reset them the default one. You can share to the other users, individually other users. You can edit the current, you can edit the view, or either the sorting order or something, you can edit it. You can assign this view to the other user. You can delete it all the way, or you can deactivate it. You can do many actions since this is your personal view. Okay, On the other hand, on the system views, no, it's you have very less system, limitation, because system administrator or a customizer can able to do it and all other actions. So this applicable, same thing, you can able to create a personal view, not only the out of the box like a account contact, you can able to create your custom table or custom entity also. Say for example, I can say events, I can create another table, I can able to do the same thing. Okay. Now whenever you created a table, whenever the new table or entity, it gives us out of the box public views like this, active, inactive, those are the things. It's out of the box, it create, it has, for example, the associated view, lookup, those are the things it creates automatically, that system views, but still you can able to create your personal view as well. That's all for today. So what we learned as a view. So ideally, view is a saved query that shows us the data based on your filter criteria. Okay, you can show them this view in a table or a report or a dashboard. You can show them any one of the areas. The views specifically defines based on your business needs. And then we discuss what types of views. Basically, one in the system views and another one is personal views. The system view itself basically have a multiple type: public, lookup, associated, quick find, advanced, right? That's all about today. And we'll now what about in a roadmap, right? We learned views today, I mean, types, and then what is the in the end user track. As I said, this is our last session on this track. Next we will start the session on the functional consultant track, who can set up and customize the system based on the business process. What I'm going to do it here is basically I'm going to give some scenarios and then one other use case, and then we'll run the use case all throughout all the sessions, so that helps to understand how this as a functionality works. Okay, see you on the next session on a functional consultant track. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.